Let us begin with the arithmetic operators. Suppose if a is equal to 10 and then b is equal to 20, then let us do the addition operation. Addition a plus b. Next, subtraction. Let us difference a from b. Next, multiplication. So just I will write mul. Okay. So here I'm directly printing the result instead of assigning the value to an variable. Okay. Don't get confused. So for example, z is equal to multiplication a star b. Now in order to display the result, I need to call g, or I need to use the print statement, g, like this. So instead of doing this work directly, I am displaying the result using the print statement. Okay. Next we have division. Under that, floor first one is integer division. Let us divide b, okay, by a. So we got 2.0. So in order to show the modulus division, let us change the value of a to some other value, that is a is equal to 3. Now let us use the modulus division. Yes, modulus division. Print b percentage a. Sorry, a. So we got 2. Let us see the floor division. Print b floor division, double forward slash symbols, and then a. So we got 6. So modulus division results remainder, whereas floor division results the quotient. Divider, dividend, quotient, and then remainder. Next we have an exponentiation. Exponentiation. Let us do b to the power of a. b here is 20 and a is 3, because we have assigned the value 3 to a recently, so it becomes 20 to the power of 3 is nothing but 8000. So these are the different arithmetic operators. Next, let us see the comparison or relational operators. First one is equal to equality check. So let us use the different variables like x is equal to 20 and then y is equal to some value, say for example 15. Here if we put comma it results error, so we need to put semicolon. To assign multiple values to an multiple variables in the single line means multiple variable and value in a single line, we need to use semicolon. If we use comma, it results error. So some other language accept comma, but Python interpreter or Python language supports semicolon for multiple variables. Now let us check the is equal to operator, comparison operator. Okay, print is x is equal to y. Let us see what happens. So obviously 20 is not equal to 15, means value at the right hand side is not equal to the value at the left hand side, so it results false. So as per our definition, the condition becomes true if the values of the two operands are equal. Next we have an not equal to operator. Let us check x is not equal to y. Obviously it results true because 20 is not equal to 15. Next we have greater than symbol. Let us check x is greater than or equal to y. You can guess 20 is greater than 15, so it results 2. Next we have less than. X is less than y. Is x is less than y? Obviously no, so it results false because y is 15, so it is not greater than 20. So in x is not lesser than y. In other words, we can read in other way as is y is greater than x? No, obviously. So x is less than y is false, and if we read in other way, is y is greater than x? Obviously no. Next we have greater than or equal to. Let's see x, is it greater than or equal to y? So obviously x is 20, it is greater than y 15. So here we have two condition in the same operation, that is greater than and then equal to. Either if it is greater than, then also it results true. If x is greater than y, it results true. If x is equal to y, then also it results true. So to check this condition, let us check with the value x is equal to 15 also. Now if I print x is greater than or equal to y, it results true. Let us change the value of x to an initial value 20. Now we have less than or equal to. X is less than or equal to y. So obviously x is now 20. 20 is either less than y nor equal to y, hence it results false. If I check once again, the value of x is equal to 15, and if I use the same condition, x is less than or equal to y, can guess the answer, that is true. So these are the different types of comparison or relational operators.